do my makeup routine with me, but I'm gonna fast forward for half of it. And yeah, that's my night routine. I'm sort of bored, so I'm just gonna keep the video going. Just 'cause I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I sort of want to try what it's like in slow motion.